Mga Katotski, second day. Day 2 of my vacation. Sana success na. Si Sir din, saan ka Sir? Cebu?
Cebu.
Taga Cebu na naman yung kasama ko, pero ibang airlines ha. Nagkasama lang kami mag-check-in. So papasok na kami sa loob. Sana okay na. Aer Lingus, Aer Lingus. Pero parang okay naman yung flight niya siguro. Okay na. So ayan. Video na namin, paakyat na kami no, sa taas ni Dicky. So alas 9 din si Dicky, pero Aer Lingus connecting to Dubai. And Dubai to Cebu. Siya. Pero Cebu din ako no. Tani kami ng Cebu. So ayan. So guys, good morning. So ayan ah. Naanadyo sa among aeroplano, British Airways, pero si Dudong ni Action nagkakulbaan.
Kulba kay due to depart. Delay na sa.
So ingana mga itong status sa mga gahapon good.
Same pa yung flight.
Kaya ingana ba ni Action due siya una. So delay na siya, nyahuman, delay na po pero delay siguro na may tabo karon. Ampo lang dong. Hello, morning. So ayan guys. So nagsimula na yung boarding no. Thanks God. So pupunta na tayo ng London Heathrow. Then connecting natin mga ilang oras lang. So paduha na naman. Duha to Manila. Safe. Bye bye. So guys, pasakay na tayo no. Going to airplane now. Shay. Yesterday is cancelled. Today is good. Hello, morning. Let's go! British Airways. So guys, tuloy-tuloy na to guys. So going to plane now. Going to on board. See you. Day 2 of vacation. Hey! Bye! So ayan guys, we are now in London Heathrow. So again, London Heathrow to Doha, Qatar. So our flight going to Doha is 4 o'clock. So we have plenty of time to stay here in London Heathrow, but I want to out to spend a little bit time in London Heathrow, but I'm afraid, so it's better we go to immigration and go to the departures area. Is better to make it be safe. Maybe it will be we don't know what is happening, so it's better not to go out and stay in the airport. So yeah, welcome to London Heathrow. Woo! Day 2. Even though yesterday we have difficult times yesterday, but God is good all the time. Maybe we have plan. See you. Alright. Ayan, kasi we have a connecting flight, so we go decide. London Heathrow. Shut up, fam! So ayan, kasi may Terminal 5. So wala kasi nakalagay, so na-confuse tayo, nagtanong. So Terminal 4 tayo. We go decide Terminal 4. So yan o, kung hindi talaga natin alam, so it's better magtanong for your safety also, and also wasting time para din sa atin yun. Okay? Hey, bye bye. London Heathrow is a huge terminal. May Terminal 5, may Terminal 4, and we need to take a bus, we need to take a walk. So let's go. But I have a plenty of time. What is better? Safe play. Screening. Pag nandito ka sa Terminal 5, mag-arrive from Belfast, tapos London Heathrow yung arrival mo, tapos Terminal 5 ka maglalan, tapos going to Terminal 4. So hard. Take the bus, Terminal 4. This one, Terminal 4. Let's go. Ayan mga Katotski, nandito na tayo sa waiting bus papuntang Terminal 4. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Terminal 5, which is a huge terminal also. So papunta tayo ng Terminal 4 ngayon. Maghihintay tayo. So mahirap talaga no pag yung ticket mo is different. So we make sure one ticket lang talaga para hindi ka maghahabol sa oras. Buti mataas pa yung oras natin. Hintayin tayo ng bus. Ayan, update na tayo maya. Bye-bye! So ayun mga Tutski, nandito na tayo sa bus papuntang Terminal 4. Then doon na natin maghihintay ng flight natin going to Doha, Qatar. Okay. Ayun mga Tutski, we are here now at Terminal 4. From Terminal 5 to Terminal 4, it's 15 minutes of travel. What the? Grabe ang layo, no? Imagine. So if you are from Terminal 5 arrival, then you have only 30 minutes or left to your next flight. Then your next flight is here in Terminal 4. It's not possible that you will be reached that flight. So my God. So if you are in London Heathrow to arrive, make it sure that your time is so very huge so you can reach your flight. London Heathrow is a very big flight. My God. So again, bye. So mga Katutski, nandito na tayo sa Terminal 5. Terminal 4 by the way. So maghihintay lang tayo ng gates natin. So okay na, smooth ang lahat. Nakakuha tayo ng new boarding pass. So if you are connecting, make sure if you show some stuff from airlines like Qatar, if you are Qatar Airways, so it's better ask to them if you need a new boarding pass or you don't need. So yeah, they are willing to help you. Okay, so now we are now on Terminal 4 waiting for our flight. So kain muna tayo. So smooth yung flight natin, sana tuloy-tuloy hanggang sa makarating tayo Manila. Next destination, Doha, Qatar. So ayan, Doha na naman tayo mamaya. Second day natin ito. Okay, bye. Pasyal muna tayo dito, no? Ay, naghihintay tayo ng flight natin. Mahanap tayo ng makakainan. Hey.